My name is Carla Finkelstein. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Biological Sciences here at Virginia Tech, and I'm also a BBI fellow, one of the 5 fellows in this building. And my work focuses in understanding how environmental factors influence cancer incidence. And in particular, I'm interested in understanding how disruption of circadian rhythms influence cell cycle transitions. Circadian rhythms are the mechanisms that keeps your physiology and behavior running in a 24-hour cycle and basically synchronize you with the environment. And that's why you have a light phase where things happen during the day and a night phase where things happen during the night in your body and in your physiology. One of the problems that we have these days in our Western society is that we continuously disrupt our circadian rhythms. There are very good epidemiological studies that shows that women working night shifts, they're exposed to a completely different circadian environment, they have higher incidence of breast cancer. And it's the same with prostate cancer for men. So this is more likely the result of changes in hormonal levels that they used to be circadian regulated, but now they are shifted. There's a huge area on circadian rhythms that is called chronobiology. Chronobiology basically focuses in finding those windows of times in which drugs they perform the best. Why is this important? Imagine that you have a patient undergoing chemotherapy. So those patients, they receive brutal doses of very poisoning substances. So if we can find the window of opportunity in which these drugs, they have the maximum effect, then we can deliver the drug at that time, get the maximum effect with the minimum side effects possible. Because maybe at that time, we don't need to give the patient so much drug. So that really creates an opportunity to diminish the side effects of the drugs in the patient and improve the quality of life of the patient.